everyone, welcome back to my channel. All the new watchers, thank you so much for joining my channel. This video is for 2020 month December, zodiac sign Aquarius. And before starting the video, before starting predictions, I would like to thank you all for joining in my channel. I've started on the playlist of health resolutions through spirituality, and my first video is doing very well. So I would recommend you to watch the video and share and subscribe it to people who are needing it or who would like to know this kind of information that is regarding some stuff related to mental, emotional and physical health, improvement through spiritual belief systems and changes inside your body. And this channel is definitely going to be loaded with so much of stuff in coming months, because I want to make it like a community where we are grounded, we are helping each other, we can discuss any issue, and definitely we can help each other grow. We can help this world to become a better place to live in, especially health. So yes, that's my proper idea for like 2021 and more years to coming up. So thank you so much for joining in once again. This video is for Aquarius for December. So I am a clairvoyant and audience, as like I told you that this particular way of reading is when I channel the messages from universe for you. I do read tarot with intuitions, I do read cards with my own thought process, and of course I take help of some angelic mediums, because I generally travel on different dimensions and then carry forward the information from that dimension to this dimension. These are all very spiritual techniques to become more powerful. I generally read cards. I get into the feeling, and I generally know the patterns in which people and human bodies are stuck. So I completely help them come out of it. So we are into different healing modalities, and this is a God gift to me. So I would like to share that thing. I would like to give this as a service to all of you. Alright, so let's start with the Aquarians, because the messages are ready. So now I'll be channeling it to you. Aquarians, move your body. So the first message is that you have to take care of your health. You could be going through some ailments, some pain, some body issues. The reason is that you have to move your body. That doesn't mean that you are not exercising or something. You have to move your body means that you have to make an effort to do things which your body likes, like sometimes dancing, sometimes it's walking, playing badminton, or it could be anything, but you have to do something which your body likes, so that you can release that stuck energy within your body which is giving you problems. Also, I feel that in this month you will be finding solutions to your problems. So it could be possible that you are okay, for some of you are dealing with a Capricorn, and that person could be a mentor or could be someone who's guiding you on things you're looking for some advice. So this is for some of you. For Aquarians 2020 December, I also see that there is a fam jam. It could be a family month for you, because I see that there will be a family occasion or a wedding or anything like that where you're enjoying. Please take care of your health. Again, it's coming more onto your health. I guess you guys have to take care of your immune systems, of your overall body, overall energy. So be prepared, take supplements, whatever it is important for you to take care of your health is very important. Okay, for Aquarians guides, please guide me more messages. Okay, I see a butterfly. So I feel that there is a growth coming in, and there will be changes in your looks. There will be changes in your personality where people will get attracted to you just like a butterfly. And I also feel there is a growth. Some growth is coming your way. You are feeling energetic, passionate, much better than before. If you compare prior months, you are feeling much better, much focused. And I also feel that water element is getting better. So you are planting seeds inside you of good emotions, which is very good. So your water element is getting better. Some of you are planting trees as well, or maybe they are gardening and something like that. It could be a suggestion for some of you who would like to do it to balance the water element. So you can do it. In the love front, I get that there are messages coming through which can shock you. There are ways of connection people are finding, like you are getting connected with people who are looking forward to connect with you maybe from a very long time. They are trying, but now they are connecting. They can't stop themselves to see you, to talk to you. Great message. Let's get into your reading. Let's see what Tarot has to say for you for December. Some of you are really smelling good perfumes. I feel that, yeah, that's very important to get attracted. I see the first card below the deck is the Tower. So definitely the transformation is there. You are transforming, your energies are transforming. You are just completely getting out of something which was a stuck point in your life. Tower is generally a transformative energy. So there's nothing like to hide or to fear of. But I feel this Tower is going to give you a breakthrough. It's going to make you realize what is not required has to go out of your system, out of your life. So you have a stuck energy which you will release, which you will let go of through some guidance or through your own deep intuitions, you know. So we will get into the reading and we'll get to know what is coming up. But the Tower definitely says that you are breaking through. You are removing some energy which is not required. I think some of you are leaving behind some people also. Yeah, some of you are just detaching yourselves where you know that this person, this particular energy of this person is not good for me. I have to let go of this person to grow. So it could be possible that, yeah, some of you are leaving your marriages behind. Some of you are just not willing to go back to the same person. So that you know, I mean, you're doing this because you know this energy is just not that great for you. Alright, for December, let's take out cards for you. I would like to start with the generic energy. Let's get onto your generic energy, Aquarians, for December. Let's see. Parents are also involved. So I think, yes, you are moving ahead with something. You have moved on in the recent past, some of you, and this is from the advice of some great person in your family. It could be a family member, it could be an elder member of your family who's advising you. It could also be someone you look up to. It could also be a position, a person you look up to, and a position you would like to reach. It's the Emperor card, where everything is under control, where this person is where you are getting just very fulfilled, you know, with everything. Because in the recent past I do see 10 of Wands. So definitely you've moved on from something, you know, which was not serving any purpose to you. And I feel that you've struggled in this corner a lot. It could be your self-establishment also. For some of you, I'm getting that you were trying to discover yourself, but now you're done. You want to enjoy life. You really want to be emperor. You really want to enjoy. You really want to focus on what you have rather than what you don't have. So which is a very good move. And I think it started with October with most of you. You've stopped looking at the darker side. You've just started to look at the side which is brighter, which is what you have. And that's why your shift is there. And that's why you have Emperor card. And it is with, the card is with Star. So definitely what was required in your life is to change your perception. Change your perception to look at something. Now you've started looking at you in a different way, and so see your stars are also supporting you, which is very important. I also feel for Aquarians, there could be a Virgo or Aries or Scorpio in your life who's helping you out to get out of this energy, because they, or maybe you look up to this person, you want to be like this person. I'm getting that you are idolizing someone. It could be any public figure, or it could be anyone who inspires you deeply, that you want to do something like them, which is interesting because you have moved on and now you're making somebody your idol. And then you have a Star card, so definitely you will be supported and your stars will be supported. Only a warning with this card I would like to give you, that don't over exhaust yourself. Don't just plan. You have to manifest things and you have to take actions also. So planning and being in a daydreaming state, or maybe utilizing your luck only in planning, wouldn't help. You have to take actions also. And like Emperor, grounding is important. So with the message, it's Emperor and the Star. So you're feeling top of the world, connecting this person, inspiring, getting inspired with this person. But the efforts this person is taking, you have to concentrate on those efforts also. I feel this is a generic energy. And most of you moved on from this situation because this person, or maybe you found somebody new. This is another intuition I'm getting. Some of you have moved on from the love situation or some situation of relationship. Why? Because you have found somebody new who suits your personality, who is like an emperor, who's giving you everything, keeping everything under control, and you feel like a star. They are treating you so well. So if you, I think, yeah, it's a great move, because the earlier part, the prior relationship or whatever it was, a connection, was a very struggled connection, and you were just let down in that. And Emperor definitely is a great energy to be with. And I feel that you are definitely getting beautiful. Some of you are literally trying different looks and different makeup styles and something like that to become beautiful and graceful and attractive. And this emperor will be attracted to you. It could be emperor and empress energy, depending on male and female. But whosoever is this person is getting attracted to you because suddenly they have seen that growth in you, they have seen the change in you, and that change is attracting them. So just go ahead on that change. It's going to make your life completely different, Aquarius. Such a beautiful energy. Let's see in the love front, what is the basic and the most important energy in December. I also feel that some people are just reconnecting with you. They want to talk to you now because your energy is back to you, or maybe you're looking more beautiful. Okay. So I think, Aquarius, in the recent past, you were too insecure. The insecurity was the issue. You were insecure, you were doubting yourself, you were doubting your own talents, your own beauty, your own presentations. And that was the reason people were also seeing you in the same way, because whatever you project inside is the mirror outside. So maybe you were insecure, you were not happy with your situations because you were always in some fear of losing that, or maybe not reaching to wherever you want to reach. But now that you have changed, now that this system is changing, this tower is there and this transformation is there, now there is a King of Cups. So people are offering you cups, people are proposing you, people are opting you above others. And this energy is beautiful because now your attraction is back. Now your entire persona has changed, because everyone loves attention, and you're getting this attention. And if I talk about a specific person, I think the specific person wanted you to set yourself free, and just enjoy the life. If it is for like a section of people uh, who had relationship with someone, but that someone was not that happy with you because you were just in a closed door and you were not enjoying life, and the other partner, the partner you have or had, wanted you to enjoy life, and that's how they could relate with you more. Now you have understood that it is for some of you, and now you started enjoying. And I see a third party also. So some of you who are already in a relationship, I feel that you have found somebody new who's attractive, who's giving you that sort of attention you want, that sort of attention that you want. Because then we have Three of Cups. So you are enjoying the phase of time, this phase of time, partying, enjoying and socializing, or maybe just connecting with so many people. You are getting too much attention, and the insecurities which you had are turning out to be just going away from your life, and you are absolutely in your power. You are enjoying, you are celebrating, you are just celebrating your life. Why? Because maybe you lost that faith in you that you can attract anyone. Maybe you lost that faith in you that this particular person can ever contact you. So in that case, that person, I feel, has contacted you because they also wanted that passion inside you, that overall energy of beautification and relaxing energy, which was attractive. And I think King of Cups is definitely flirtatious. So I feel this person is giving you that attention, that kind of feeling which is interesting for you, which you like. Also, I feel that you have moved on from something like a cycle, like a pattern. So maybe it was going on from a very long time, that it was a pattern which you have actually broken through some guidance, through some inspiration, through some idealizing, somebody. And now that you're moving ahead, you are enjoying your life. You are enjoying Aquarius. So you have to understand, some of you are in the transition phase. You still don't know what is happening with you, but you are still liking your life. So you have to understand what has changed. What has changed? Maybe your overall thought pattern has changed. You were running behind something you were not getting, and now suddenly you have stopped and you're liking that change. So because you're restoring energy, maybe it is your hibernation period. It is when you're hibernating, when you are restoring your energy for transformation. So in that case, definitely Three of Cups shows me that a very amazing time is just starting, and it's going to go on for you, because now you've understood what life is for you and how you want to enjoy it. So I feel that the current energy is proposals and happiness, and definitely lots of enjoyment. Okay, I'm also getting a signal that you will be contacted by someone you were willing to. So maybe a lot of you were waiting for some contact, and now you're going to meet, or at least that person is going to message you or try and approach you in some way. I feel that is super interesting. After this, what is coming up next as a major event in December for Aquarius 2020? Major event, I feel some of you definitely going to go in some family drama, family party, family union, something like that. As a major event, I feel that people, you were waiting. I mean, this is back to back, and the interesting thing is it is so karmic. It has 666. So the cards, we have the 3 cards, they all are like 6, 6 and 6. Super interesting. So definitely one thing is sure, that your victory is coming in. Whatever you were striving for, whatever situation you were looking for, favors from someone, from divine, it could be a victory situation. You're getting that favor. You are winning in this situation. Lover's card is definitely a partnership. It could be business, it could be love partnership. It could also be a balance within you, which was lost for people who were having big health issues, I feel. 6 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands is a beautiful combination that you are gifted now with all the divine support, blessing, luck, as well as people are supporting you. Your family members, your surroundings, your friends are supporting you. And Lover's card is definitely, there is a great balance within you, and that's why everything is shifting. So maybe that let go of past and that dark energy, forgetting that dark energy is giving you this 6 of Wands. Great victory coming in. So people who participated in something where they needed some kind of victory, it's just there on your table. It's just there. And people who are looking for marriage proposals, I think the best proposal is on the way, and you are karmic in this time to be with this person. So you are going to marry this person. Also, I feel that some of you were looking for some financial favors, or maybe your money was supposed to, it was delayed, and now you're getting that as like a hike, as like some more money with your money. Whatever money you were expecting, you're getting more money. But 666 is a sign of angels, so I'm just thinking about that angels are supporting you. There is some divine power who is connecting with you constantly, and it is a love angel. Definitely the relationship is going to be karmic, but that union is going to be so strong. Yay, it's going to be very strong. And I'm happy because everybody is in support. When you have your divine, your powers, yourself, this person, family, everybody in support, that's a very different situation altogether. It's a beautiful union, or it could be a reunion. It's beautiful. And I think this particular energy of transformation might have started after July 2020, and now you're moving towards it. You're victorious. You are getting all your answers. That is for sure. So divine is telling me, just move ahead. Just telling me to tell you, just move ahead. Be confident. Don't doubt, and just move ahead, and you will get everything. Let's see what is the divine message for you for 2020 December. I feel so much related with your reading for someone. That person can be Aquarius. Okay. Wow. So it is a very clear guidance that you have 2 of Wands, which says that look in different direction, leave behind your past. Don't think too much, just take decision, focus on that and work. Then we have Devil, because that foundation which you had, because I think the cards are like this, so it's going to look like something like this, where you're looking away from this devil. So you're definitely looking away. from this sort of dark energy. Some foundation, some of you, it is your own mental foundation. It's a boundary which you created for yourself long time back. It could be that you are connected with some negativity in your life. I would not say what negativity, but you needed that freedom. You wanted to just go away from that situation. Now you are looking forward. Now you are going towards that. It could be somebody far off you wanted to meet, you wanted to talk, reunite with. You are moving away from this negativity for sure, and that's why we have that tower around. And then you have Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles is a situation where your confidence is only when you don't let go. This person is just so stuck with everything, whatever they have, because they don't want to just let go of anything. So Divine is guiding you that you have moved on a path which is correct. It could be that you are still tangled with some energy of this past. Start letting go. This Four of Pentacles is of no use in your near future, because you have to let go of whatever you're holding on to. Also, sometimes I feel that you are very much angry with someone and you don't want to get out, you don't want to release that anger. You can't forgive. I will suggest start forgiving. Situationally, something must have happened. Even if you have anger, that's going to punish you, not that person. So you have to let go of your anger. You have to let go of show off. I'm getting, for some of you, your life has become show off. That I have to just show this person, make them jealous. I mean, it could be for anyone. Let go of this attitude, because internally you are too busy showing off rather than being what you are. You lose your own, identity in that, your reality in that. Don't get stuck with this kind of addiction. I feel addiction here for someone. Maybe it could be one of you. This is an addiction to show either yourself something which you are not, or maybe for someone you are just trying to show off. Guys, leave that. It's just not happening. It's just not serving you any purpose. Divine is telling me, let go of this kind of addiction. This kind of attitude is not going to serve you any purpose. So this is a very clear message, because Tower is definitely there. When the Tower is there, there is a long time transformation. So your energy is like highly built up to transform now, and you are going to transform with this Tower, and everything which is not required is going to go away. So I feel this reading is going to give you a great insight about what has to go away and who's coming in your life. Do comment in comment section if you happen to meet someone you're waiting for, and anything which resonates with you. It is a kind of a motivation for me to make more videos for you and give you more detailed insights. And definitely today I'm going to do something different in this video. That is, I'm going to pull out one card, that is the Oracle card, because I feel there is a message for you inside it. So I am using Kale Gray Angels and Ancestor Oracle cards. I would like to use more cards. I like buying them. And the artwork of it's by Lily Moses. It's beautiful. These cards are so attractive that I got attracted to them and bought them. So let's see for Aquarians, what is the divine message for Aquarians, especially for 2020, because now the year is changing, and I've already uploaded 2021 videos, guys, so you can just see them and program your year like that. I have more detailed videos coming in for months. So let's see what is your divine guidance by Oracle cards. These are generally with great artwork and deep insights, and I got connected with these cards, so I feel you're going to get a great message, definitely. Also, I feel some of you are going to receive gifts with like apologies, or maybe some favor. Great teacher. Yeah, that's what I told you. You are inspired by someone. Learn from spiritual experiences. So definitely the transformation includes some divine interventions in spiritual experiences, or maybe you're learning something spiritual. So this card is so beautiful. And let go, let go of everything which you're holding on to. This card is also telling me that some sort of spiritual guidance is coming to you. keep a, a very positive approach towards that guidance. Don't take it otherwise. It will help you only. Also, some teacher for some of you, definitely, who's guiding you, who's going to make you feel who's going to make you understand what you're doing wrong in your life, and you have to take it positively, because that is where you're going to transform. That is how you're going to transform. And this is a great teacher card. So definitely, either some of you are teachers and some of you are teaching, and maybe you're getting taught by someone. But this month, a great teacher insight is going to come to you. Some angelic message is going to come to you, maybe through that teacher, maybe through some reading. You are asking somebody to read something for you. But this prediction, this particular teaching, whatever is this, is going to be a great gift for you by spirits, because this is what you need to know. This is what you need to change. This is the guideline for you. So I feel this is a great message. So guys, this came in your cards also, that there is somebody guiding you, inspiring you. Keep focus and you're going in the right path. Hope you like my reading. Hope this reading helps you understand more and get better in life. Everything important is coming up in 2021. Do see those videos as well. Like, share, subscribe my videos if you like them. Thank you. Bye.